First, I'm going to interchange it this way. This minus, it's going to be like this: minus cos square 1. Then this sine square 1 will be what? Plus sine square 1 all over minus cos 2. Then I can factorize. I will say minus outside, then open a bracket. We have cos square 1 here. Then minus sine square 1. Close the bracket, then minus cos 2. Now, there is a trigonometric identity that states that cos square x minus sine square x equal to cos 2x. Now, in this case, my x will be equal to 1. X will be equal to what? 1. So therefore, we have something like this. We have something like this. From this place now, minus open bracket cos square 1 minus sine square 1 will now be equal to what? Cos minus cos 2 open bracket 1. So which is the same thing as minus cos 2. Then our final equation, or let me say a final solution, will now look like this: minus cos 2 all over minus cos 2, which is equals to 1. So that's our final solution. Try for this one.